Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem many Windows users face when trying to change the location of their AppDataRoaming folder to another partition on the same disk. The issue arises when attempting to move the folder, and an error message pops up, mentioning something about files having names longer than 256 characters. This can be quite frustrating, especially if your Windows 10 partition is running out of space, which is indicated by the Devices and Unit section. Now, let's delve into the solution to this pesky problem. It's generally not recommended to tamper with Windows system folder locations, but there are ways to manage your storage more efficiently. By using tools like WinDRStat, you can identify which applications are hogging the most space in the AppDataRoaming folder. Instead of relocating the entire folder, try moving specific app data that's taking up too much room. For instance, if the Thunderbird email client's profile in AppDataRoaming is consuming a significant amount of space, you can easily move it using the Profile Manager. In summary, when dealing with space constraints and file movement errors in Windows, it's essential to analyze which applications are contributing to the bulk of your storage usage. Instead of relocating entire system folders, consider moving specific app data to free up space efficiently. And there you have it. I hope this solution helps you manage your storage better and avoid those frustrating error messages. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. Catch you in the next one.